What's up? It's another miserable day today. It's May. It's supposed to be summer-ish, but it's peeing down with rain. It's actually a little bit chilly as well. I got to put the heating on this morning. Anyway, so it's that time of year. I'm going to do a bit of tidying up in the van. Gets a bit tired when you're living in it full time. And what I mean by that, and I'll show you, I need to tidy up around here. We did have nets on there and stuff, and I've filled the holes into the nets because it was getting on my nerves because I kept tripping over them every time I went out the door. Last year I did repair the floor here, which I never finished. I mean, it's solid, but all this needs sorting out, so I'm going to sort all that out and fill all that and paint it all in, replace the floor tiles under there, cupboards and stuff. Just looking a bit tired, just need a coat of paint, so I'm going to paint all that. And as far as the floor goes, let's get that up. It's starting to wear in places, so I'm going to replace some of the tiles. We've got a broken one there, starting to come up there. That one's broken there. And generally just tidy up. I've done a bit of filling there. And yeah, just getting rid of marks and scuffs and stuff. Dinky Sinks, how you doing? So I'm going to concentrate on the kitchen, bathroom area. The green I did recently, so I don't have to worry about that. And we're going to get rid of these because this looks a bit shabby now. They've gone like that because they've stretched over time, and I had to keep stretching them and then screwing them back in. So we're going to do something different. Plus it scuffs the wall when you take them in and out. It's a good idea, but I don't like the scuffing on the wall. So Tracy's going to make something out of macrame, whatever you call it. Something different for that. So I'm going to take them off and paint that and decorate it. Maybe it's the aliens that keep making it rain, isn't it? It was sunny a second ago, and now it's peeing it down just as I was going to go out. Been working really hard. I haven't done a lot of video footage and stuff like that. I've been slacking a little bit, I do know, but I've been working really hard on the business, on the website and stuff like that. We've got loads of cool stuff. I can't make the stuff quick enough. It's like flying off. We're making stuff, selling them, making stuff, which is good. It's a good problem to have. The guitar recently made's gone, and I've got inquiries about more, so I need to make more. I've got some cool designs coming for the guitars and other stuff as well, because it is Dinky Sinks and things. And this is one of them. This is our Starburst ceramic sink that we have in our toilet area, which looks quite nice. We've got these sort of things coming up for sale as well. And I just wanted to say, just because a sink's ceramic doesn't mean you can't have it in a van. This is ceramic. They don't weigh as much as you think, because I know that the melamine ones are more popular with people, but I think they think that because it's melamine, it's a form of plastic, it's going to be lighter, but really there's not much in it. And what I find with the ceramic porcelain ones is that you get more of a luxurious feel, if you like, because they don't feel plasticky, and you get much better designs as well. So yeah, don't rule out a ceramic sink in your motorhome. Or camper van, or boat, or man cave, or tiny office, or shepherd's hut, all that stuff, right? Anyway, I'm going to crack on. I need to get all this stuff off the walls and stuff, and I'll show you probably when I'm done, or nearly done. Right, it's a different day, so we're going to start tackling these tiles. Got some broken ones around the edges, broken ones here. We're going to come all the way up to this door here, and we're going to stop there, and I'll do the rest of the van next week. This is what we're using. This is from Home Bargains, actually. I've had these under the seat for 2 years as spares, because I bought double the amount I needed in case I needed to replace any. They've lasted quite well. But when I initially laid them, I had to rip up a vinyl floor that was already down, and Okay, in the odd space, you can see this here. There's a little tiny bit of grit underneath the tile, and over time, because it's left a slightly raised bit, it's worn. So now as I'm going through one by one, I'm making sure it's really clean under there. It was a hell of a job when I did it originally, and you can see here as well, there's a couple of bits where there's just a tiny little lump under the floor, and it's worn it out because it's slightly raised. So this time round, I don't have to replace the whole floor, it's just some of the tiles. It will be a lot neater. There we go, that's the bathroom floor done. Looks way better now. I ran out of tiles. I got to here, so I haven't been able to do that area or under there really, but I did fix all under there and fill it and silicone it all up so it's all nice and watertight and everything. So yeah, that's it for the moment. Ooh.